Go on in.
Oh, don't film me, because it's stacked. Don't do running commentary either. I know what you're like. You're a little cheeky.
Here we have Vic here in Fenwick. Shit at taking pictures. Can't jump for fuck.
You're such a little cheek.
He comes up with the shittest things to say. And his voice hasn't even broken.
Shut up.
What?
Yeah.
Shut up. Alright, shit. Oh fuck. I don't want to slip on the stones. Oh shit. Oh, I was going to jump to that big rock there then, but nah.
No, go on.
No, it wobbles.
Okay, good.
Ow, it's broke my
Hey,
ankle.
the sun's actually up there, you know. You can see it, like, on those hills.
This is so fucking...
Oh, the wide angle and that sugar lump thing.
Oh, what? Come here, you cheeky little cunt. Fucking fly then. Good, hope you die. Bendy road, bendy road, bendy road.
If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell you that I am?
Is there anywhere I can stay? Wait. Fucking...
Fucking cute. I quite like her, pretty cat. No, you didn't.
Looking left.
Like a fucking bear.
Hmm.
Keeps.
Oh, hey, being up there is scary. Shit. Fucking bollocks.
If I'm not made for you, then why does my heart tell me that I... Oh, yeah.
What are you doing, Kieran?
Going on, that's on there.
Throw me a stone. Throw me a stone. Okay, don't. Filming.
Oh, fuck off, you cunt.
Yes.
I sent like fucking loads, but it kept crashing, so I had to like, redo most of them, so I had to keep walking
You
back.
said go to New Haven Harbour. You're such a prick.
Yeah, because I assumed this was a harbour. Doesn't that make more sense to be a harbour?
Does this look like a harbour? It's a fucking car park.
He's going to say harbour there. Hi, Will.
Hi. Is this for the
Crazy
fucking time-lapse beginning of your shit video?
Yeah. For the time lapse video.
Hey, it's Crazy Legs, you're watching Producing Movement and no one cares anymore because parkour's for wimps.
Yes, Will.
Yeah.
You got that. Should've worst idea that was piss. Yeah, Will, you're retarded.
That's not a nice word.
They're here, by the way.
It's not a nice word, but it takes one to know one, doesn't it?
You're getting rinsed, boy. You're getting rinsed.
And we didn't even go down that bit.
Yes, Callum. Oh. Yep.
You go downhill.
Gonna speed step that. What is this foot doing? Look at it.
Oh. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh shit!
Double front again.
I cannot triple.
Man can do this, man.
Turn. Fuck! You take still mine now. Whoa!
One night.
I'm sagging that. Oh shit. Go and do it. Scream.
Shall we get a lift? So should we go car park?